Good morning. I thought I would share a drink mix that I have 3 times a week, maybe basically every other day. I start out with a little bit of water, and I do drop in some of this stir-in paste, garlic, and that helps to make it warm. I usually warm this up because of the next ingredient, which, hold on, let me get this in the microwave and warm it up for just a few seconds. Nice thing is that it actually helps to mix up that garlic paste in there. I just want a little garlic to help out. The next ingredient is the collagen. And let me see if I can open this up. And I just put in a whole scoop of the collagen. The heat of the water helps to make this so that the I'm working on my camera abilities. I know we got a lot of work to do, right? So that helps to make sure that that mixes in real well. And from a previous package of the collagen that I use, I did get these scoops, and I love this. This is how I help to measure out the next things that I put in. So the next thing is a 100% pure, no sugar or anything like that. And this is cranberry juice. I'm going to have to put this down so I can pour it. Can't do this with my phone on one hand and then hold the scoop and pour. So now that has the scoop of the cranberry juice. The next ingredient is this pure beet juice, which absolutely has a terrific, wonderful taste. And now there's going to be 3 scoops of this that goes in the glass, using the same scoops, so 3 of these. Interestingly enough, when I was putting in the beet juice, I realized I had forgotten 2 ingredients that I usually put in first, but it doesn't matter what order you put them in. But usually I put a scoop of the apple cider vinegar, unfiltered, and a scoop of the lemon juice. I do prefer to squeeze the lemon. I just don't have that, so I have this as backup. And so this will get 1 scoop of the apple cider vinegar and 1 scoop of the lemon juice. So now those are all mixed in. I'm not really sure what the actual measurement is on that scoop. It's probably not an ounce because this is an 8-ounce glass. It might take a little bit more than that. And so there's a few more scoops than that. So the next thing is unfiltered apple juice. And that's going to get 2 scoops of that apple juice. One moment. Okay, that now has, I'm not sure if I said 1 or 2 scoops of the apple juice. It is 2 scoops. Then, the next ingredient, I just recently started adding, okay, come open, is this ginger juice. And I only add a half a scoop of this. I don't think I need to overdo them. We already overdoing the other things according to some people. Hold on for a second. Let me get this. Now that it's nice and open, let me get it poured. Now while all of that is mixed up, I need to clean off my spoon. I have some napkins here that I keep readily available for this. And then I just take and put a little, see if I can scoop this up. a touch of cinnamon. Not a lot. This definitely is very earthy tasting, so the beet juice and the apple juice gives it a little bit of sweetness. And then that ginger adds a little bit of heat. It's a little, I like ginger, but it's funny how just that small amount makes such a huge difference in this. And then the one last ingredient, top it off with some aloe vera juice. And let this sit and stir up a little bit. And then I'm going to have a banana with this morning, because I need to take a medication that requires you eat it with food. And this just sits up here right nicely for now. I got my little tower here. It's working out very well. And then I'm going to add 2 more things to this plate. So earlier this week I had boiled some eggs. So I'm get myself a little protein here. You know, at the bottom of this is sometimes it gets that liquid. And so I'm going to have 2 boiled eggs with this. It's not the breakfast of champions, but it is healthy. It gives me a little protein. I get lots of different benefits from the beet juice, the lemon juice, the apple cider vinegar, the ginger, the cinnamon. You get it. So anyway, I just thought I'd just share that. I thought it was interesting. Some people might like it. Hopefully you'll give me a thumbs up. Have a great day. Take care.